don't know what happened, but we went a little crazy in Ulta. Not even a little crazy, a lot crazy in Ulta. But I saw so many good things and I was just like, treat yourself. Treat yourself. Girl, treat yourself. Everything I saw was like, treat yourself. So I don't know where that little treat yourself voice came from this time, dolls. But, ooh, it was out of control today. And now we'll move to Ulta, where I just purchased nothing but frivolous purchases. Things that I just did not go in to get. Things that I absolutely did not intend to buy. But do I need every single last one of them? I don't know. But we got them, so we're going to go through them. Girl, got the little Ulta bag, baby. The baby Ulta bag. But guess what? This was $200 worth of products. $187 later. This is where we at. So let me just jump into what I picked up. I ended up going crazy with the makeup haul today, which I was totally not expecting. I went in for one thing, which was the Juvia's Place contour. I needed some more contour powder. And I got in there, I, you know, had good intentions. Not getting a contour powder. I ended up getting, let me tell you guys what I got. I ended up getting this Fenty foundation, the Pro Filter foundation, but I got it in the darkest shade because for me, a deeper skin girl, I need a really deep, dark, inky color, like more of a blackish undertone, not purple, not brown, more of a black undertone in order to cut contour under my chin area, cut my cheeks. I like them to be cut, and that I'm using more so eyeshadow for doing that because I can never really find something that is deep enough for me. Even the ones that are like supposed to be deep dark, deepest and that sort of thing are always like red undertone. They're kind of more on the brown side to where it's looking more like a blush. And that's what happened with this bronzer that I'm wearing from Sephora. It was the deepest color they have. It was a plummy undertone, so it's giving more of a bronze, which I love that for me for a bronzer. But as far as a contour, I need something that's really, really dark. So I thought, why don't I see what Fenty has? I know her shade range is bomb, and she did have some deeper contour colors, but I have those. And again, it's more of a purpley undertone. I can't think of the name of it, but it's the Fenty. It's one that I've showed you dolls so many times in the gold package, and it has more of a purpley undertone, which it kind of does the trick, but at the same time, it just doesn't get me where I need to be at with my contour. And I find that I end up like putting a powder, which is usually eyeshadow powder, which is like in almost a chocolate, dark, blackish color, over there to cut my contour. So I went and I got this one. This is supposed to be a matte. I've had her foundations before, so I know what they're giving. And I was like, let me try this because I need something that's gonna last a little bit longer than instead of me having to keep coming back for the eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place for that one little small circle of product, which is intended for eyeshadow, which you can use your products for different things, multiple things, however you want to use it. But I was like, I need something that is gonna last a little bit better. I don't know why this looks so separated, but can y'all see that? It looks really separated in there. Now that I've got out the package. I don't know, but let me see. So I put this on my hand in the store. A little bit is going to do ya, but this, as you can see, is super dark. And this is what I need. So I got this. My intention is to use it to contour with. As you can see, when I blend it out, and what I did in the store was I blended it out because I think that I'm just going to put this on like I do my concealer, which is going to create a little bit longer step in terms of how I contour. But I'm going to put that right under here when it's time to contour. And then I'm going to let this dry down before I blend it in whenever I do use it here. And then on my, you know, the cut there and around my face. And then I feel like once it dries down and I blend it out like how I do my concealer, then I would just set it. What are we setting it with? We're not sure what we're setting it with yet because I feel like, do I still need the Juvia's Place eyeshadow to set it with? Because that was just a perfect pan of color, a powder color that I found so far. So I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know how it goes. It probably look crazy now because, but I'm gonna let that dry. This is the Pretty Girls. This is the CL4 brush. It's tapered. And this flathead is made specifically to contour. So this is definitely gonna carve out the cheeks, size of the face. And I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of this right on the brush. And for me, I like to come under here. And so this is liquid. I prefer to contour with powders, but like I said, I'm trying to find a better way. So giving this a try, I would let this sit for a bit before I blend it out, just so it can kind of dry and kind of set a little bit is what I would do. So, and then I have the Pretty Girls SL5 brush. Density is amazing, top tier by yours truly. Sensational. But that was the main thing that I picked up from Ulta that I went in for, like actually went after. But otherwise, I got all lip products is what else I got from Ulta. And most of them were MAC, believe it or not. I did get some Juvia's Place things. I got 2 more lip glosses from Juvia's Place. These are $14 each. I got the color Brown Sugar and Kenyan Coffee. If you dolls can even see that. Kenyan Coffee and Brown Sugar. So a little bit deeper colors for the fall, going into the winter months. And just to have, I thought they would look really cute. The first one is, oh my God, my battery's on again. Kenyan Coffee. It's just a really mauvey, kind of purpley color, but still has that really pretty gloss on it that I fell in love with the last time when I picked up a lippy from Juvia's Place for the first time. And then the Brown Sugar is more of a taupe color, which I think is going to be really pretty with a liner, and still has that high quality gloss shine to it. The lip liner that I got today is called Cola with a K. And again, I love the packaging on this, and I think it's really pretty and will look really nice with either of these shades. It's kind of like a Chestnut by MAC lip liner, which I actually also picked up because I cannot find my Chestnut from MAC. And the last products that I got are all MAC products, and they're nothing new. I got the Chestnut lip liner because I could not find mine anywhere. I know I'm going to end up finding it, but in the meantime, I love the Chestnut. I like that it's like an actual pencil when you draw it, your lip, you know, to line your lips with. And this is the shade here. It's really light. It's actually, I guess it's a really close actually to the one. So if you wanted an alternative, I think the MAC Chestnut lip liner was like $25. And then the one from Juvia's Place, which I've had their lip pencils before, they wear really well and long lasting, think it was like $14. No, actually it might have been like $10 or $8. Actually, I have the receipt right here. The lip liner was $10. Yeah, so that's not bad, and you can get the same look, the same payout and quality, just at a definitely less expensive. But for the chestnut lip liner, I was like, I need a MAC lipstick to go with it, just kind of old school, ride or die. And I got Honey Love from MAC, and if you know, you know, this is an oldie but a goodie. And it looks like this. I think it's such a pretty color, like just a nude but kind of more of a beige with a pink undertone, like that. And I think with the lip liner, that's gonna be a really pretty pair. And I was like, okay, well then I was like, I need the MAC lip gloss. This is an oldie but a goodie. And so I got the MAC lip gloss, which I think is gonna be so perfect. So I can't wait to share this combo with you, dolls. So this is the Honey Love, the pencil, and the lip gloss. So this is gonna be a really great combo, I think. And the last thing that I got is from MAC also, and this is the Retro Matte Lip color. And I wanted a really pretty bright red for the fall going into the winter. And I usually get Lady Danger and Ruby Woo. If you know, you know, oldies but goodies from MAC as far as like a perfect red for me. But I wanted to try out the liquid lipstick. This is the Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. I thought it was so pretty. I also hadn't been able to get back the Hot Shot from Morphe, which is my really pretty signature red lip. So I put this on in the store, and look how bright that is, how vibrant. And it dries really nice. It feels good on the lips. So I was like, I have to just get this. Like, I might as well get it now because I definitely will wear it. I want to wear it with like black, you know, like my black dresses with my boots, or even my blue jean outfit, my cape, and my black boots that I got from Zara. I just want to have a really pretty red lip that's matte. So that's why I got that. So it's definitely going to come in handy. And I love the packaging on that it's a lip gloss, but it's got the MAC signature top, like what you have for the lipsticks. I just think it's so cute. So anyways, don't sleep on MAC. It's still a go. It's still a bop. It's at Ulta. And I'm so happy to have all of these things to add to my collection. I need to go through my MAC lippies and lip glosses because I have a really extensive collection, and I'm glad that I didn't throw out my stuff from before and they've come back around and they're still good. A lot of this stuff is brand new. So anyways, that is what we got from Ulta. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I had one other thing from Sephora, and this was a Laneige. This is the lip glow balm. I have the sleep mask, but I have a 1-in-1 for on the go, and it kind of reminds me of the Summer Friday, but I didn't like that one. It was kind of sticky and I just wasn't a fan. So I picked up this one, and this is in the grapefruit fragrance. I had wanted to try it. It's smaller than I thought, but I guess that's because I have been using the Summer Friday, or Summer Friday. And let's see if it'll focus. The Summer Friday, and this one is a little bit smaller than that one. So I still kind of like the tube and stuff better, the packaging for the Summer Friday. But like I said, the product, at least the one I tried, wasn't that great. So anyways, I picked this one up. It's a little bit smaller, but I feel like it has a gloss to it. This is the grapefruit scent, and it's here. So it's just a really, like, just a moist lip balm. And it's more translucent than anything. I thought this would be great for on the go, or if I wanted to like add a little moisture onto my lips. And so I got that. I don't know about this separation, you guys. I may have to take this back if it's not working out. Last time we had champagne dolls, it was not even fizzing. My champagne, that's the thing about champagne though, it's like once you open the bottle, you know, it's not necessarily like it's not good anymore. It's just, you know, it may not have that carbonation or the bubbles in there. anymore for the champagne. So my last video I was like, oh my god, I don't even have any bubbles, like bubbly, and I didn't want to open a whole new bottle for that, so we rolled with it. Oh, and by the way, on my lip stalls, because I know sometimes you dolls like to know what I'm wearing, I am wearing Peanut from Morphe. This is their liquid lipstick. I absolutely love this color. I think it's so pretty for all skin tones, and this one you can pick up at Ulta. A lot of the colors that they had previously that I fell in love with, they don't have anymore on the website or in Ulta, so I'm not sure if they are phasing them out since the store itself closed down or what. But this one is a wet to set, and it definitely has staying power. You don't need to reapply it. I just did to show you guys, but how nice it goes on. But it's a really nice, really soft on the lips. Once it sets, it's not dry. It doesn't like crack. It doesn't do any of that. It's just like really pretty, and I usually will have it on throughout the day. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. But that is the makeup haul. This turned into a makeup haul real quick, and I'm not mad about it. So yeah.